Hello everyone. A very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to the Officer Adda channel of Adda 24/7. So this is your BRBL subject in the English medium language. You can easily see that our victory batches going on in which the paid class is going on. Okay, so in the paid class you can see here all the subject is already started. My subject, I'm your BRBL mentor. The timing of my subject is 7 to 8 p.m. So this is very important, okay, because this batch is very important. After that, you know that from April onward, right, your registration will be start. So I think after registration, there will be no time, okay, to study. So that's why if you want to finish your syllabus before the registration, so I think this batch is the best one that will give you the full chance to crack your exam. Okay, because in this batch, we are giving you the live classes, we are giving you the recorded session, we are giving you the mock paper and the doubt session, etc. Okay, so that's why if you want to enroll in this batch, you have to apply the coupon code Y391 for the maximum discount in this batch. Okay, and if you want to purchase the bilingual batch, so the bilingual batch is a JEED batch. You can take the JEED batch by applying the same coupon code in this session. Okay, so this is important. Now let's understand the thing. So today class we are going to study the questions of Company Act 2013. Okay, questions of Company Act. So basically in the Company Act we have to study the features, we have to study the types of company, then what is memorandum of association and article of association, then some doctrines we have to study. After that, features, type, doctrines, and then after we have to study about the director, then prospectus, okay, and your member. So these are the topics in the Company Act that we have to study. So we do not have to study this Company Act whole. So the previous act was 1956 and now this is 2013 act. So this is again important from the examination point of view. Is that okay? Now let's do the question. Number one question on the screen, that what is the minimum number of person required to form the public company? 1, 2, 5, 7. Tell me class. And in this question I will tell you the whole thing about this one. So tell me what is the right answer for this question. This is very important. By this question you will get to know the member of every company. So for this thing, the right answer will be C. The minimum number in public. So first of all, we have to understand the private and then the public. If we talk about the private minimum, this is maximum. Okay. So minimum 2, minimum 7, maximum 200, maximum unlimited. So this is the minimum number of person to form the public company. So the right answer will be public company. First one, D is the right answer. So this is important for the examination point of view. Okay, this one. So you have to learn all the minimum and maximum. If we talk about the one person company, because this company is introduced in 2013 Act. So the minimum is 1, maximum is 1. So this is again class important. Is that okay? Done? Now, the next one. Which new type of company was introduced in the Company Act 2013? One-person company, two-person company, LLP, and the public-private partnership. Tell me the right answer. Which new type of company was introduced in the Company Act 2013? What is the right answer? Which new type of company was introduced in the Company Act 2013? One person, two person, LLP, and the public-private partnership. That is important one because we know that before 2013, okay, 1956 Act was there. Act can never be stable. It have to be changed. Okay, Act can never be stable. It have to be changed. So for this question, the right answer will be, that is the one-person company. Okay, for the second one, A will be the right answer. Done? A will be the right answer for this question. Okay, next. What is the maximum number of person to form a public company? Maximum number of person required to form the public company. 50, 100, 200 or unlimited. What is the right answer? The maximum number of person required to form the public company. 50, 100, 200 or unlimited. What is the right answer? The maximum number of person required to form a public company is basically, that is unlimited, because right now we have just discussed it. Okay, so for the third one, 4 is the right answer. Done? Next. What is the minimum number of directors required in the case of private company? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the minimum number of directors required in the case of private company? 1, 2, 3, 4. Directors. Now, this is very important if we talk about the directors, right? So in the directors again, private company, public company, one-person company. So in the private company, minimum, maximum. This is minimum, maximum. So the minimum is basically what? Minimum is 2, public 3, this is 1. And the maximum in all the company will be 15. So this is the right answer. Is that okay? So the minimum number of directors required in the private company will be 2. This is the right answer. So these questions are very, very much important to form this. Okay. Now, next one, maximum number of members in the private company in the Company Act. C class. We know that in your, this time in your BRBL subject, okay, this time without option questions will become without options. So that's why in the without options, these types of question will become, in which the answer should be in the this number form. So the maximum number of members required in the private company will be 200. So for the fifth one, C is the right answer. Is that okay? So this is the right answer for this question. Next. Which one of the following is not the content of the Memorandum of Association? Name clause, register clause, object clause, board of director clause. So in this statement, we know that the important document of the company is memorandum of association and your article of association, right? So in the memorandum of association, basically, if we see, so there are 6 clauses. So in the 6 clauses, the number one is your name clause. Second is object clause. Then register clause, name, object, register. That is the liability clause, capital clause, and the sixth one is your, that is association clause. Okay, so these are the 6 that is important. Okay, so which is not, so I think you get the right answer, that is D will be the right answer. Okay, D will be the right answer for this question. Next, Turkin rule is related to which doctrine? Ultra-vires, constructive notice, indoor management, subrogation. So if I highlight the subrogation, so I think subrogation is the topic of Indian Contract Act. This is the topic of Indian Contract Act. That is a subrogation. Is that okay? So in the subrogation, basically when the principal debtor, creditor, this is surety. So when the surety pay money on the behalf of principal debtor to the creditor, then the surety can demand money from the principal debtor. That is called subrogation. Ultra vires, beyond the power. Constructive notice, company is, sorry, in constructive notice, suppose if a company have given document to the outsider. So outsider have to know everything about the company. That is called constructive. So the company is not liable. But in indoor management, if company is changing anything and they are not informing the outsider, so in that case, the company is liable. So the Turkin rule is basically C, that is the indoor management. Okay, what is this? This is the indoor management. Okay, class. So I think this is clear to all of you. Now, XYZ Limited is a having 15% share capital held by X Limited, 50% held by central government. It means this is 15% X Limited taken, 50% central government, 10% state government, and 25% other person. So what this company will be called? Government company, private company, public company, or dormant company? What is the right answer? What is the right answer for this question? Tell me first. So for this one, the right answer is A is the right answer. Okay, now the doctrine which advocate the fact that company cannot act beyond the scope of its memorandum of association. What is this? Doctrine of constructive notice, indoor management, ultra vires or intra vires. Ninth one. What is the right answer? The doctrine which advocates the fact that company cannot act beyond the scope of its memorandum of association. Beyond. So the right answer will be ultra vires. C is the right answer. Okay, that's next. Company Act was repealed by Company Act 2002, 210, 13 and 15. Repealed. It means we know that with the technology that act has been changed. So what will be the right answer for this question? So for this question, the right answer will be that is Company Act. Okay. Next. Which of the following is not true? Not true. Company is artificial person created by law. This is right. Company can do every act like natural person except the act which is purely of personal nature. A company can be held liable for the violation of statutory provision of the Company Act. The company can be imprisonment for the violation of such provision which attract the penalty. How can it be imprisonment? So we have to tick mark on not true. So D will be the right answer for this question. D will be the right answer for this question. Okay, so this is the right answer. Which of the following is not characteristic of public company? Not. Separate legal entity, yes. Perpetual, yes. Common seal, separate property, yes. Its shares are not transferable, no. So this is not true. D is the right answer. A and B were only member of company who died in the road accident. So in that case, the company will come to end. True, false, partially true, partially false. Company will end. The answer is no. Why? Because the company have a separate legal existence, so the company cannot be shut down. A company being a legal person is also citizen under the Constitution of India. That is true, false, partially true, partially false. Which of the following is the right answer? A company being a legal person is also a citizen under the Constitution of India. Constitution of India. That is absolutely legal person. No. That is not a citizen, because in the Constitution of India we have several rights and duties. So it is false. Company come into existence when memorandum of association signed by the number of member. Memorandum submitted for registration. Registered under Company Act, establish its registered office for the functioning thereof. So what is the right answer for the 15th question? The right answer will be, that is C is the right answer. Okay, class? So that's all for today's class. So do not forget to take this live class single paid batch, and this is your CIB ka Mahapack. Thank you so much.